You get paid by the minute rather than by the day or the hour. It doesn't necessitate using social networking, selling, or complex technological skills. Actually, handing over the entire workload is by far the easiest way for complete newbies to make the first $500 online. Everyone can take advantage of this offer, which is completely free and does not require a credit card or investment. Keep an eye out for the very end because I'll show you a magic trick and another trick to take care of everything for you. Don't pass up the chance to start making money with just a few clicks of the mouse. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Go ahead and start by visiting Skillshare.com. Visitors to the website can look through a variety of online workshops, video training, and courses to learn more or pick up new skills. If visitors click the Explore tab up top, they can use this website to learn more about things like animation, graphic design, music, or photography. On this website, users can enroll in a wide range of classes and watch a selection of videos. You might be wondering how we intend to make money off of this website. We'll talk explicitly about that immediately. You can find Become a Teacher on the teaching section of our website's homepage if you scroll all the way down. Clicking here will take you to a page where you may sign up for a free account, become a teacher, and start uploading videos to the website. You don't need to create any videos or stand in front of the camera, because I'll reveal to you a hidden method for acquiring ready-made and professionally produced videos that you can share right away. Teaching on Skillshare.com works in this manner. You can't add videos to this website until you make your first class. When someone sees the video, you can start earning money, and you'll get paid every minute. You got me right, I guess. Every minute someone watches one of your videos or participates in your class, you get paid. Many users of this platform make tens of thousands of dollars a year simply by uploading videos. If you read this and wonder, how can I genuinely make money on Skillshare.com? You'll get paid monthly royalties based on how long visitors watch your videos in addition to a referral reward. Keep watching this video because I'll show you a bonus technique for getting people to recommend this website to others, which will enable you to earn far more money. It enables you to establish two reliable sources of passive income. You can earn money per minute on this website whenever someone watches your movies without restrictions, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is the first source of revenue, which is this approach. With this approach, you may 100% automatically earn significant commissions and referral bonuses. You only need to click on the green Start a Class button to reach this page. You may upload videos to Skillshare.com and earn money online when people watch them. By clicking the Upload Videos button, you can upload a video to this website. You may copy, paste, and re-upload free and done for your films on our website and start earning money right away if I show you where to look for them. You'll see some live demonstrations and samples from me. When I select the top Browse button, I choose the graphic design category. The following page, which has more than 1 million followers, is about graphic design. What I enjoy about Skillshare is that you only need to post videos for it to start receiving millions of users and visitors daily. To learn new information and acquire new skills, you'll look for classes and videos to watch, utilizing this amazing technology. You may make the most of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make money online, as in the videos in this person's public playlist. There are many videos in one playlist. Only 1 minute, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and 2 minutes respectively are allotted to each of them. You can upload any of these clear-cut, condensed videos to Skillshare.com. As you can see, this video is currently being watched by over 171 people, and you get paid every time someone clicks play on one of your videos. This person presently makes money by charging viewers to view the published Skillshare videos. With this, you have a great chance to make passive money. Users from all over the world will immediately find the video on Skillshare after you copy and paste it here. You won't need to advertise it. You can earn money while you sleep, travel, or concentrate on other projects by letting Skillshare handle all of the time-consuming promotions for you so that people will visit the website, discover your videos, and watch them. Passive money continues to come in like clockwork. There are almost 1,375 students, as you can see. This playlist video are being seen by countless folks around the clock. To start making money on Skillshare.com, we're going to follow the identical approach. The next thing you should do is go to RenderForest.com. Videos can be downloaded for free from this website and then uploaded to Skillshare.com. At this well-known company, you may create logos, videos, mock-ups, websites, and much more. But focus on making videos. Click Create Video in the toolbar at the top of the page to get to this page of video templates that meet your demands. I adore RenderForest because it provides a ton of those totally free, customizable movie templates that are 100% done for you. By clicking a few buttons, you may easily access all of these professionally produced and done for you videos. Once more, anything can be done using a computer or a mobile device. I'll let you know my personal preferences. My recommendation to you is the Whiteboard Animation Toolkit, which is fairly well suited to being posted on Skillshare.com as a training course and is quite well liked because many people appreciate using whiteboards for learning. You can access the Whiteboard Animation Toolkit website by simply clicking this. There are, as you can see, 1,138 ratings. More than 4.45 out of 5 stars have been given by people who like it. I'll walk you through a detailed demonstration using this whiteboard tutorial video template. This lesson video for a whiteboard template teaches viewers new abilities. Any of these done-for-you templates might be used. They are all really simple to comprehend and quite professional. By scrolling down below, you can view a range of videos that other people have created using these themes. They are all established templates that have been fully completed for you, and they are all respected and well-liked. You may complete the same activity on this website without any prior technical knowledge or experience by merely clicking a few of the buttons I'm about to demonstrate. All you have to do to access a website where you may contribute a new video is click on this Create Now button. There are 3 choices here, and I want you to select Load a Preset so you can select a pre-written tale. After making your choice from the Load a Preset menu, click the Create button. As you can see, this website contains a ton of ready-made stories, templates that have been completed for you, and instructional videos that you can easily download. For instance, have a look at web development, cloud databases, real estate, and social media. You can obtain a ton of free training videos on RenderForest.com and Skillshare.com. By doing that, you can start earning a lot of money online, just like these people are doing right now. People continuously generate passive money each and every month. You only need to click the link to see a preview of the video template if you want to create a video about, say, online education platform promotion. If you don't want to view the video, just click the blue Use Ready Story button. A new page will then open so you can alter something in this video after that. Again, this website has taken care of everything for you. You have prepared all of the timelines and narratives for you. Everything on this page is editable, including the content and phrasing. Simply click the Add Text button to make the desired changes to the text. It's quite simple for you to update the text here, because once you click on it, the text will change on the video itself. For example, you can replicate subscribe to my channel with any text you wish. Once more, everything has been finished for you. Not much has to be changed. To move on to the next phase after they have finished modifying and experimenting with the text in each of these videos, just click Style. Here you can choose between a board drawn or cut paper style. Move on to the 3rd level. When you're asked to choose your color scheme after selecting this style, which is board drawn, even though both of these drawings are extremely fantastic. As you can see, this is a complete list of the custom colors. The default color is blue, but you can change it by clicking the main color button. Yellow is a good example. Simply select Confirm and the color will switch to yellow. Because all you have to do is click a few buttons, everything is essentially taken care of for you, making it really simple. Continue to step number 4, where you can choose music. Once you've finished choosing your colors, once more, everything is finished for you. There are thousands of other music tracks in various categories that you may use instead of the corporate motivation music that they have selected. You can choose anything you want, whether it's Harper music, rock music, or music from a movie. Simply click Preview to hear the background music before selecting one of your preferences. You can do this on our website with a free trial. There are no expenses associated with it. Just click Preview in the final stage, for example. Corporate motivation. You can download this video for nothing at all from RenderForest.com. Many templates and videos can be used from the same method. Even if your tutorial videos have multiple plot lines, you can still post them to Skillshare.com. It enables you to make money each time a person visits Skillshare and clicks play to watch a video. This is a great method for generating passive money for individuals everywhere. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.